Hi everyone, I'm Jeff. Today I'm going to show you how to install a bathroom extractor fan from start to finish. A simple, safe, step-by-step guide. I'll show the electrical safety checks and how to wire and secure the fan. This is for a standard Europlast 100mm wall bathroom fan. That's the model I'm installing. Quick safety note. Working on mains electricity is dangerous. Before you touch anything, you must switch the mains off at the consumer unit, verify power is off, and follow local electrical regulations. If you're not confident, get a qualified electrician to do the job. The fan manual also instructs you to disconnect the power before installation. Quick note on the tools: you will need a screwdriver set, a drill if cutting new hole, core drill for 100mm pipe, silicone sealant screw/slash fixings, and of course the Europlast fan, or equivalent depending on what you wish to install. I'll show you how to cut the power to the unit. Here's my breaker unit. Turn off the breaker that feeds the bathroom and pull the switch to off, or to be on the safe side, turn off everything if no one is at home. You can test the light or wall socket with a voltage tester to confirm power is off. If, like me, you have turned off everything, you can be sure that you will be safe. Don't rely on breakers alone. It is a good idea to always verify with a tester. Remove the front cover. On many Europlast models, the cover twists off or is clipped. Remove it to access the terminal block. The manual shows how to unlock the grill before wiring. Make sure you keep the screws in a safe spot. This fan uses two connections, a live L and neutral N. Insert the live wire into the terminal labeled L and the neutral into N, then tighten the screws. Make sure that the connections are tight and insulated. If your installation requires an earth conductor, follow the fan manual and local wiring regulations. Place the fan into the hole or duct and secure it. Align the fan so the exhaust faces into the ducting or void and screw it into the wall or mounting box per the manufacturer's instructions. Use the supplied fixings or suitable wall plugs and silicone sealant where necessary to avoid air leaks. Replace the grill, restore power at the consumer unit, then test the fan. Turn the light or switch that controls the fan on and listen. It should operate smoothly with no rattles. If it hums loudly or vibrates, switch off and check the mount and ducting alignment. There you have it. You have replaced an old bathroom vent fan yourself. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will make other videos like this. Until next time, take care.